So I like to load it pretty good on there. Like I put the brick up the middle here because this is my, so I make my own fucking flue. So you just smoothing it out nicely like that. See, nice and flat. You just go like this. See, nice and flat. It has a little space right there. I like to fill it right there. See? Just like that. Then I can lay my bricks now. So the way I do it is I go on bond right here. So you see how the space is right here, the brick. So I just put it out like that. See? Just like that. This one's no good on the end, so I gotta switch it. I should have looked at it, but it don't matter. See? I'll just make it like that. Give it a little tap. Put a little piece right here, a little brick, a little mud there. So I like to make sure it's straight like that too, see? And sometimes I get out my little level and I can level it like that. Sometimes it's hard to find the right spot to put the phone. Because if it falls, it's going all the way down. So I leveled this brick out across. Grab another one right here. And I like to double butter my bricks. So I just put it down nicely like that. Put a little bit there. Fill it. I brush the back up right here. See? Put a little level on it. Then on this side right here, I can do the same thing, right? See, you just gotta push it in like that. Now this one I'm not trying to go edge out too far. Just trying to do it a little bit. It's pretty level already. I like to take my 4-foot level right here. Just go across right here. See, it's level now. So I go with this just a little bit. And I put this in front, see? Just like that. Brush it up the back. Huh. Push it down in like that nicely. Now I got a little piece to do in here. So I always put my level in front like this. Just like that, and I bring the brick out right here, see? I got a little piece to cut right here. So it's smaller than a headpiece. It's about the size of, you know, the size of the brick right there. So a lot of times I just chop it like that. Okay. Just chop it off straight. And I got my piece right there. I always butter the inside right here like that. Double butter the brick. This side looks better. This side's good. So anyways, push it in like that. Fill it up. Brush up the back right here. Okay. level on the front, because the bricks will always move a little bit sometimes, right? So just like that a little bit. There. So that's my one side done right there. Now I like to press it in nicely right here, see? And we're gonna mess around later. Okay? I got a flat joiner, I do those as well. So now, we save this brick for the next side. So what you always want to do first is you want to do your outside right here. See? Just like that. So you brush up the back. I like to use a little level like this just to, it's already level pretty well. Just like that. I'm going to take my 4 foot and put it on across it. See? Just like that. And I put this on the front of it. See, it's already straight. And I put this from corner to corner, and I'm all level right there as well. Okay. Now I got to put a little piece in here. I don't know if it fits. See, it just doesn't fit. I could widen it out a little bit, but I don't really want to go wider. So then I just cut this brick as well, see? Right here. Just like that. Just like this, see? Already double buttered in there. Just like that. Pull up the back mud. So I gotta do the purge on the inside as well. So and then I fill up my mud right there. So you just kind of place the mud in there like that, nice and lightly. And there's the one side done. See? Now I gotta go to the other corner and do that one. Oh, gotta catch that fucking phone. So then I'm on the other side now. And this is how I do this right here. Find the best side right here. Same thing. Just like that, right? Press that joint in. Same with there too. So you just press it in nicely. Hammer it down straight. Tuck the back. It's already straight. And put level on the front like this again. Hammer that in. So I'm just gonna adjust it a little bit here. If you want it perfect, you gotta adjust it. Which I like it perfect pretty well. Nothing's perfect, but it's almost perfect. Then I need another small piece in here. So I just cut it like that. Boom. See how I got the small piece already nice and straight. See? Grab my mud. I like to put the mud on it like that. And you just push it in like that nicely. See? Just like that. Grab the excess mud. So I don't like to waste my mud because I make it myself, right? They work with a lot of bricklayers. What they do is they throw all the mud on the fucking ground. They waste all the mud. They don't know how to reuse it. They got bad habits. That's what guys do when they don't work for themselves. They waste mud. So then you grab your level again. Put it on the front. Put that brick out like that. Retop it in nicely, see? I like to fill my joints right away anyway, see? Just like that. I like to press this in right here too. This I don't got to worry about it after as much. It's already pretty well done and pressed in. When you press the mud in, it makes it stronger. So I'm just going to walk around to the other side here. And I only need 2.5 bricks, so I got 2 bricks right here. And one more like that, so I got my bricks right there. And the mud's still good. Press that in, give it a little butter. It's kind of drying a little bit. It's a little cooler today, the sun's not out. So I like to put that right here like this. A little bit of mud in there. Look at my level. Pull the brick out. See? Put this brick in there. Double butter. And I got the same size of brick there, see, it doesn't fit. So what I do is chop it once, see? Boom, just like that. You can trim it off a little bit sometimes, just to, because you want a joint, right? Just like that. Boom. Push it right in there. Pull that purge right up. Inside right there. Get the 4-foot level, go on top. It's all level. The one on the front again. Just like that. Easy. Then I like to fill it up. I don't cheap out on the mud too much because the stronger it is, the better, right? There's a little bit of adjustment sometimes. Okay. Get the mud, fill it up. Done. Now I'm ready to lay a regular course on top. So I just go like this. So if you do your bed the best right here, your bed mud joint, and it's easier to lay. You don't want to go too heavy on the mud, but you just smooth under it on top a little bit. Okay. Give it a little cut. Hit the brick. Okay. And then there we go. And then it locks it in place. See? Just cut it, see? Just cut it straight across like that. Take your level, just go across like that, in the middle like this, see? There we go. And I'll do this course right here. Then I got a little piece to do in here as well. So I just cut this piece. It's smaller than the other one. So I just chop it like this. My other trowel is better for doing this, but this one I like because I'm using the pail. So you gotta make sure you don't break the brick, right? See? There, see? So I got my straight edge there. Put the mud on it. I like to do both sides like that. See, and I got my mud on both sides. Oh, a little bit foul, but I guess I got lots in here anyway. So just like that. Take that off. Fill it up inside like that. Oh. Now I'm going to come around this way to go to the other side. I actually got some of these brick ties. See these brick ties right here? I put them inside here. I'll show you. See what I'm stepping on here. So the brick ties I put on the corners like that, right? And then I fill that up with mud. And then it makes it a little bit stronger so it doesn't fall over on me. That's how you gotta do it. Oh, shit. It's so hard to fucking... I had to cover this fucking hole here because it's a sewage hole and I'm not fucking smelling sewage all fucking day, so I cover it. I don't give a fuck. That's it. There we go. When I grab the mud like this, fill it up like that. Okay? I never really cheap out on the mud because it's gotta be strong. You know, these people pay good money for stuff, right? So why am I gonna cheap out on the mud for what? Fucking $25 bag of mud? So I don't cheap out on it at all. And we put brick right here. Got my 4-foot level here. I always put it across like that. See it's level there. And I put this in front right here. And make sure the bricks are square like that. I gotta square it too, but I don't really need it all the time anymore. I got it just in case. Put that right there. And it locks the wall tie in place, see? Just like that. Level right there. Got the 4-foot level, I put it on top. See? I'm all level perfectly here. Hammer goes in nicely, see? Right here as well. Okay. Sometimes the bricks aren't made perfectly straight, so just gotta make them look good. I'll put this one, I got the small piece on this side, so I'm gonna put the small piece on this side this time. Then I need a small piece right here. So I just eye it basically like that. And I can use this side right here, see? You just kind of... like finesse it, right? You gotta have a hand for that. This is actually a smaller piece right here, so I can use this side. Okay? I'll chop it like that. So I got my small piece right there, that's what I need there, see? I that in. Just like that. Get out the 4-foot level. Put it right on top. Just put it down like that. There we go. And put it on the front. There we go. Then I gotta fill this side up. Side, I'm just gonna go like this, and I got another small piece right there. See, the best thing you do is just cut it like that. Just cut it straight across, see? And then I can smoothen it out like that. And another small piece right here. I need a small piece like that, so I'll just go like this, see? Enough to fit in the side right there, right? So I gotta go a little smaller. So it's the same size as the other pieces, basically. You just kind of go like this. Make it straight. Okay. It's only a little fucking inch piece, right? It's always better to double butter it and then put it inside, see? Just like that. Fill it up. I always put the level on it anyway, even though it's level. It's perfectly level. So I just go like this, just to put it in place. Then I put the level in front, and it's already there. So I just do the same for the other side as I did in the front. See what it looks like there? It looks better when I fill in the joints and whatnot. Now on here I gotta fill that up with all mud too and parge it, and I gotta put the bricks in the middle here as well. But first I'm gonna make it solid right here to a point, and then go from there. I'm gonna get more mud downstairs. Then I put some wall ties in. You just kind of like that. I like to flop my mud down. Just like that. So you guys like to make it smooth like that first, see? Make sure there's no little holes anywhere. And then you just put it in like this. I'll go this side because I got my little piece on that side. So then I'll go like this. Alright. Give it a cut like that. Just do a nice cut. Level on the front. so it's even with the other one, see? And put it down. Now I gotta cut another little piece. So I try to use all these broken bricks that I already have, see? There. Sometimes they get tricky because for these inch pieces, it's gonna be no good for the inch piece. I gotta use the end. So the best way for me to do it would be cut it like this. I just need an inch piece, right? Like that. So just chop it. Sometimes they're already cracked inside, so make it a little bit harder. Because they drop the bricks, man, when they fucking move them, right? So there's my inch piece that I want, so then I just chop it like that. Actually, this one looks a little bit better on that side, so I'll use that one. They both look good. Make a little bit of, I like to butter both sides. Just put that in there, see? Just like that. Fill it up. You use a little level for this one, just kind of go like this. Just bring the brick out to the edge. There. See? Give it a cut. I like to save my mud, I don't like to waste it, so just like that, see? Hold the brick so it doesn't move. There. Now I gotta go down and get more mud because that stupid rope brought down. See?